who specializes in cybercrime defense for cyberstalking. Imagine being accused of something you did not do, and the evidence is all digital. Who can help you fight back against charges like cyberstalking? Well, it's not just any lawyer. It takes a special kind of criminal defense attorney. These lawyers focus on crimes involving computers and the internet. They understand the laws that cover online harassment and threats. Cyberstalking is a serious crime where someone uses digital tools like social media, emails, or messaging apps to repeatedly harass or threaten another person. These cases can be charged under state laws or federal laws, depending on where they happen and how serious they are. The penalties can include fines, restraining orders, or even jail time. The lawyers who defend against cyberstalking charges have a few key skills. First, they know the laws that deal with online harassment and computer crimes. They stay updated on how federal and state governments define and prosecute these offenses. Second, they are experts in digital evidence. They work with specialists in digital forensics to examine message logs, social media posts, IP addresses, and metadata. They challenge the prosecution's evidence if it's incomplete or improperly collected. These attorneys also have a good grasp of legal defenses. They might argue that the communication was lawful or that there was no intent to harass. Sometimes they prove the accused was mistaken for someone else. They also check if the police followed proper procedures when collecting evidence, like having a valid search warrant. In addition, these lawyers are skilled negotiators. They can work with prosecutors to reduce charges or find alternative solutions. If the case goes to trial, they defend their clients vigorously, making sure their rights are protected throughout the process. They often tailor their defense strategies based on the individual's background, mental health, and specific circumstances. People facing cyberstalking charges should look for criminal defense lawyers who advertise experience in cybercrime or computer-related cases. Many law firms highlight their work with digital crimes and offer free consultations to assess the case. These lawyers often collaborate with digital forensics experts to analyze electronic evidence thoroughly. Some firms have experience handling federal and state cyberstalking cases, especially in states like Texas, North Carolina, Kentucky, and Massachusetts. They are available around the clock for urgent consultations and defense planning. In short, defending against cyberstalking charges requires lawyers who specialize in cybercrime and white-collar crimes. They understand the technical and legal sides of these cases. Their goal is to protect the accused's rights, challenge the evidence, and work toward the best possible outcome.